Forgot to say, I've got the handbrake button to do, haven't I? Don't look like an hard job, to be fair. This one I noticed was loose and just lifts out. So let's go get the other one and see the difference. It was £4. £4 off Amazon. I don't need the spring because the spring's alright. So let's see what this is about. Looks like it just pushes down, clips in. Open this bag. So yeah, it just looks like it's got a little stopper thing there. Oh, the wings are missing off that one, look. Little clipping wings. There you can see. Anyway, let's have a go. It butts in. Just clip in. I don't want to push it too hard. I guess it snaps. Out of the way. It's going to be awkward, isn't it? Just because it can be. I'm going to have to get light and see what's going on in there. See what's going on. I'll be back.